Do less work for your clients. If you're an AI agency with multiple clients, you're probably spending too much time on upkeep. So meet those clients where they are. Let me explain. Every time your client wants to change the information in their agent's knowledge base, they need to write the changes, we need to send them to you, you need to format the data properly, you need to add it to their knowledge base, you need to test it, and then you need to follow up with the client and make any revisions they ask for. That's a lot. And you have to do it over and over and over again for every single client. So let's automate it using n8n and save ourselves time and money. We built an automation that connects Notion to Voiceflow's knowledge base. Clients can manage all of their questions and answers inside Notion, and any changes will automatically sync to Voiceflow in seconds. And this doesn't just work with Notion. You can connect to any tool that n8n supports. And that's a lot of tools. Here's an example of this in practice. Connor recently got into real estate, and an AI agency built him an agent for his website. People can go and ask questions such as, how do I buy a house? Or why should I go with you? Are you cool enough? So whenever Connor wants to modify something, he's not technical, but he doesn't need to be. He can just open Notion, make all the changes he needs, and they'll automatically be available to customers. And in that way, all the information is up to date. If he stops doing virtual tours, the agent isn't going to be lying to people and saying that he offers them. So that's what it looks like from the perspective of a client. Now let's take a look behind the scenes at how it all works. So this is my project, and this is actually just the default brand new Voiceflow customer support template. You can get this by just making a new project and then choosing customer support. I just changed the first message, that's it. You could build a flow to do basically anything. After giving an answer, it could offer to schedule a call or send a follow-up email or literally anything. This is just a really simple example. But the magic here isn't in the workflow. It's in the knowledge base. And this is a bunch of information that's specific to this business. For example, can I rent the condo out? What are the property taxes in Toronto? These are things an LLM might know, but might become outdated if regulation changes, for example. So we can augment our LLM's knowledge using the knowledge base, and then include really specific stuff such as our pricing, our availability in general, and so on and so forth. But of course, we don't want a client setting things in here. We don't want them breaking things. And that's why we've connected it to Notion. So let's go over there now. And here we are. So in Notion, our clients can go and modify any of these pages, and the contents of each page are automatically synced to the knowledge base in Voiceflow. This is a really user-friendly interface because in this example, our client uses Notion already. So they already know how it works, and all of these pages are just in a single Notion knowledge base. Of course, this doesn't have to use Notion. You could connect it to anything that n8n supports, and it supports a lot of different platforms. So our clients can come in here and modify things, but how do we get on Voiceflow? Well, that is where the n8n workflow comes in. So let's go over there now. And this is what does all the heavy lifting. There's two parts to our n8n flow, Notion New and Notion Update. Notion New runs whenever a new page is added to a specific database. You just saw that database over in Notion. And we've connected this up here to go and look for that database and run this automation whenever that page is added. Oh, and you can get this entire template down below in the comments. Okay, so once we've detected a new page has been added, we get all the blocks on that page, so all the different parts of that page. And then we have a little bit of some JavaScript here. And basically what we do is we go through all of the paragraphs on the page that are blocks and just get all the content, join it all together, put it in a variable, and then we'll go and use that to send to Voiceflow. And that's all that this is doing, as well as getting some metadata, such as the page's name and the page's ID. Awesome. And then finally, for each page that was just created, we have this in case they've copy-pasted in multiple pages at once, we do an API request to Voiceflow. So down here, we have a API key. This is the API key for our project in Voiceflow. And if I come all the way down here, we're sending a bunch of data. Voiceflow's API is great because it lets you upload data. In this case, we're using table data just because it's a good fit, but you can use whatever, you can use regular data or table data depending on your use case. And of course, if you are building something a bit more advanced, like you're a developer building a client portal for your clients, you can actually use this API for a different context. Or you can use it in make.com, you can build it directly into your application, whatever you want to do. This API is really powerful. I actually recently built a automation that lets you convert WooCommerce or Shopify product, like spreadsheets, into data that can be directly imported into Voiceflow. It's really, really simple. So that is how creating a new page works. And updating pages works very similarly. Whenever a new page is created, then we get all of the blocks on that page. We do a slightly more simple way of getting all of the contents of that page, again, all of the paragraph content. And then we just go and send it to Voiceflow again, using the same API call, but again, we've set this API key here. And of course, we're checking the same database. One more thing you should probably know is that when I say the page updates, I don't mean on every single keystroke. I mean, whenever the user is done editing, they click off the page, that's when Notion goes and triggers this. And it really is that simple. You can get started with this using the n8n template. Again, it's in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what else you're automating as well. So if you've got another process you use to make it easier to work with clients or reduce your workload, let me know in the comments as well. Good luck building, good luck working with your clients, and I can't wait to see what you build.